Hey guys, one thing about truck life, it's a dusty life. So what I do is, I have a little fan that pulls all, because, I'm the person who, when the light is on and you look through a beam of light and you see all those dust particles, I have like air cleaners all in my house. I have an air cleaner, humidifier with the cleaner on it, because I'm breathing in all these particles, and which I know you outside, you breathe them in anyway, but this is closed quarters, and so I have a fan, a little, it's a USB fan. You can charge it up, and I put it in the window to blow, to pull most of that dust and stuff out, so I can sleep at night, because I'm thinking I'm breathing all that in, and everything's closed off, so that's what I do. But look at my aroma cooker. They have the Instant Pot. Yeah, cool. I'm not getting paid to promote this thing or anything like that, but it's half the price of a small Instant Pot, and it does the exact same thing. It really cooks nice. And all this is, guys, is a bag of mixed vegetables and some bone broth, the organic kind, not just the cheap kind, but not that I paid a lot of money for it. It was like $2 and something at Walmart, but it's the bone broth. The bone broth, that's what it is. And let me see. I have it in my little refrigerator, and that's all I have is a little one, which I will show it to you. My sons bought this for me. My oldest son bought this for me because I wanted to do the camping thing. It's just a little, it's a little dusty at the top, but a little portable fridge. And I keep, let me show you. I don't drop it. Trying to hold the camera. Just keep a few things in it. I have my avocados, and I have some black grapes down there. See? And it keeps it cool. And this is the stuff that I bought to make my it's organic bone broth. Reduced sodium. Everything I try to get is reduced sodium chicken flavor. And I've used half of that to make soup. And then I'll use the other half to make some more soup tomorrow. But most likely those vegetables will be coming out of a can. So I have a bag of silverware up here. Not really silverware, plasticware. As you can see, mixed vegetables, bone broth, and just salt and sea salt, black pepper, and Italian seasoning. And I made this. And you're like, what is that meat? What kind of meat is that? That meat is, let me see if it got tender. Let's see. No, it's not that tender, but I put this meat in there just for flavoring. This meat is beef jerky. Oh, that tastes so good. That's just a piece of beef jerky that I peppered beef jerky. I had got it on sale at Walmart for $1 a bag. So I bought 5 bags of beef jerky, and I could put that in my soup, and it's just for the meat flavoring and just a little protein. But the bone broth is pretty good too. So that's me cooking in the truck. And I got a little coconut water on the side. Yep, from the dollar store. Yeah, I love coconut water. And I'm getting ready to watch me a little movie. Get my bowl out. And then I'm going to put the rest of the soup in my little fridge, because I got these little containers and they fit perfectly in my fridge. So, but I'm going to eat my soup in my bowl. My little glass bowl here. And watch me a little booby tube. I know it's I think it's 2 o'clock in the morning, but yeah, it is. It is 2 a.m. in the morning that I'm doing all of this. I'm going to eat and I'm going to sleep. And as soon as they call me, I am going to go do my load. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to go back to sleep. That's what I'm going to do. Because I've had me a long hot shower. I worked out So I know I'm going to sleep pretty hard until they call and wake me up for my run. So probably only going to watch a few minutes of this movie, and the movie's going to continue to watch me. So need to find me a spoon. You know what? A big spoon came with this. I think I'm going to use that. That's what it's for. To dig this out with. Let me see. Did I put it? And it also came with this little steaming tray where I can steam stuff. I really like this cooker. I really do. I'm going to cook meat and stuff when I start back eating meat and stuff. And oh, look at that. Look at that. Yes. That's going to be good, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching, and make sure you guys subscribe to my videos. I will be trying to give you more and more content and more interesting things that I'm doing in this truck, because I'm going to be trying to do a whole lot of stuff in the truck because I have no life. But that's okay. I'm going to give you guys life. Bye-bye.